Good morning, leaders. I am the third reporter, and I'll be sharing to you about the three stage of Erickson, and that is the initiative versus guilt, ages 3 to 6 years old. Children take on responsibilities, learning to initiate tasks and manage guilt. Initiative versus guilt in the third stage in Erickson's theory are psychologically development which occurs between 3 to 6 years old. At this stage, kids are become more socially and cognitively aware and developing a sense of initiative in action. Children between the age of 3 and 6 dare the exploratory activity outside of their bodies. They learn how the world works and how you can influence it. The world for them consists of both real and imaginary people and things. So, doon sila, may mga times na gusto nila mag-play sa real thing, which is, and also sa imaginary and also sa mga bagay-bagay. Parents can help their preschool to plan and achieve goal to letting them explore the world within certain limits and providing support. So, as of this time, yung mga which is the preschoolers, yung ages 3 to 6, so, ang tawag sa kanila is mga preschoolers o kailangan daw ng help ng kanilang mga nanay at tatay to plan achieve their goals by letting them explore the world. In addition, it allows children to develop initiative, a sense of ambition, and responsibilities from learning how to interact with others. During this time then, nakaka-develop na sila ng mga initiatives and sense of ambition and responsibility. So, gusto na nila dito makatulong sa kanilang mga nakakatanda and learning how to interact with others. So, this time, when children are allowed to engage in research activities, actively they can develop better social skills, have a high sense of initiative, and make rational decisions. So, nakakadesisyon na sila sa mga ganitong edad. On the other hand, if they receive excessive criticism or punishment, they may develop feeling of guilt that impede their personal growth. The stage of they begin to tap into their sense of power and control by taking charge during playtime and other social interactions. So, more on playtime sila sa ganitong edad and more on social interactions. Gusto nila makipag-usap na sa iba't ibang mga tao. And then, this stage crisis or challenges is to develop a sense of initiative rather than guilt. So, the main question asked is, am I good or bad? Yun yung pinaka-main question talaga nila as of this time. And then, the fourth stage naman is industry versus inferiority. Ages 6 to 12 years old. Dito na nag-start yung elementary years. School ages, children develops skills, seeking praise, and avoiding feelings of inadequacy. It means the fourth stage occurs during childhood between the age of 6 and up to 12 years old. It's that period of child's life when they acquire new skills. So, ditong time, nag-explore sila para malaman kung maganda ba yung ganitong klaseng skills para sa kanila. So, they are more on exploring new skills, build their confidence. So this time na natatanggal na unti-unti yung kanilang hiya and figure out what they are good at. So, hinahanap nila kung saan sila mas magaling. At kaya nag-explore sila sa kung ano-anong mga bagay. The industry versus inferiority stage is all about building skills and confidence. It is full of trial and error, but it's an important part of growing up. It when kids begin to figure out that they can actually do things, whether it's playing a sport, pwede sila mag-involve sa mga sports events, or learning on instruments, kung marunong ba sila mag-play ng instruments, or getting good grades, nag-excel ba sila sa school. How kids manage this period of development helps set the stage for how they'll deal with challenges and success later in life. So may mga connections sa mga kanilang ginagawa. During this time, may connection pag yung kanilang attitudes toward everything sa kanilang ginagawa. Um, meron yung connection in the near future nilang buhay. So, when kids get the support and tools they need to work through this stage, they develop feeling of usefulness and a strong sense of self-worth. So, kung nakaka-feel sila ng support sa kanilang loved ones, especially sa kanilang family and friends, they need um, they need to work through this stage. They develop feeling of usefulness and strong sense of self-worth. So, parang nakikita nila na ay may kabuluhan talaga ang buhay ko, at may strong sense of self-worth na sila. So magkakaroon sila ng much more confidence. But when happen, if kids don't get a support they need, pag halimbawa naman hindi na ibigay yung support na kinakailangan nila, without the ability of mastering skills and gain positive feedback, they may leave this stage with a sense of worthlessness or inferiority. So, parang magiging walang saysay yung buhay nila kapag hindi sila masyado na-appreciate o hindi sila masyado nasusupport sa mga ganitong stage. Kaya importante talaga sa stage na ganito is andyan yung support ng family and friends. The major question is, how can I be good? How can I be good? Yan ang may major question sa panahon yan. Why industry versus inferiority matters? During stage 4, a child is learned various emotional and social skills. So, in this stage, child is learning various emotional and social skills. Nagkakaroon na sila ng, mas nagmamature na sila emotionally, and more on social skills sila ang gusto talaga nila, more on outdoor activities. It's important that their parents or caregivers support them as they face new challenges and make attempt to navigate these challenges on their own. So, kailangan talaga, sabi ko nga, ng support ng family and relatives and loved ones. In order for a child to feel industrious, they need to feel that they are capable and competent. Without the opportunities to develop new skills, they may end up feeling inadequate or that they just don't messing up. So, yun na nga. Mawawalan sila ng confidence kapag hindi sila sinusupport. At mawawalan sila ng gana. Social world expands. During the early stage, a child's interactions during this early stage, a child's interaction centered primarily on caregiver, family members, and other in their immediate household. As the school year begins, the realm of social influence increases dramatically. Kids are no longer hanging out primarily with parents and other family members. They are increasingly involved in sports, friend groups, classrooms, team, and other social events. They are also expected to collaborate, listen, compete, and share. So this time, hindi na sila masyado, um, hindi na sila masyado nag-hanging out sa sumas sumasama-sama sa gathering ng family, but mas importante na sa kanila as of this time yung kanilang mga peers, yung mga ka-groupmates or teammates nila. So they began to explore sa ibang, at mas importante na sa kanila sa stage na ito is yung kanilang friends and classmates. And friends and classmates plays a role in how children progress through their industry and versus inferiority stage. So, this time then, skills are also evaluated. Skills are also evaluated. At early stage of development, children were largely able to engage in activity for fun and receive praise and attention. Pag early stage ng development ng isang bata, um, they are engaging in the activity for fun and to receive praise and attention. So, kailangan ng mas fun siya and receiving praise. Kailangan din na sila ay maboost yung confidence at bigyan talaga ng attention. Once a school begin sa age na to, 6 to 12 years old, actual performance and skills are evaluated. Grade and feedbacks from educators encourage kids to pay more attention to the actual quality of work. So, mas importante sa kanila yung feedback o sinasabi ng kanila mga teachers. So, ang na-encourage yung mga bata to pay more attention to the actual quality ng kanilang work. Kids also become more capable of performing complex tasks when they are encouraged and commended by parents and teachers. So, mas na-encourage sila kapag sila talaga ay pinipraise or sila ay ina-appreciate sa kanilang mga ginagawa. So, they are more likely to develop a belief in their abilities. Not getting encouraged from parents, teachers, or peers will lead to doubt in their abilities. Kaya nga, pag hindi sila nakakarinig ng ng mga positive feedbacks about sa kanilang mga ginagawa, so magda-doubt sila sa kakayanan nila. That's all. Thank you for listening and God